And we get back on track with news that organizers of the Western Relays have announced the cancellation of the 2026 staging of the meet, which was scheduled for February 14, citing uncertainty surrounding the availability of the track at GC Foster College. The facility is expected to undergo resurfacing, but with no confirmed start date for the work to begin, organizers say there was insufficient clarity to proceed. They note that the resurfacing can take 3 to 4 weeks, making it impractical to ask teams and supporters to wait amid the uncertainty. Head coach of William Knibb, Roderick Miles, voiced his disappointment at the decision, but understands the reason for the cancellation.
I'm William Knibb. Like, over the years, they would have assisted us with entry fee, bus, just to participate. So, it's definitely a blow.
The organizing committee has apologized to stakeholders and says the meet is expected to return in 2027.